All right, you guys, it's 3:30 in the morning and I'm wheels up, heading to the airport here and gonna go meet my besties from Girls with Guns for an awesome week shooting in Arizona, going to Gunsite, going to the Ruger Prescott factory. Stay tuned, you guys. It's gonna be an awesome week. Exiting the Titus compound here. Oh boy. Nick's in the van. This actually might be the highlight of my trip. having Nick pick me up in a big old van.
I'm the bus driver.
I don't know why it's so funny, but it is.
Okay.
Honk the horn. Honk the horn, Nick! Honk the horn!
Toot toot.
Honk, 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 honk! What up, homies? Yes! Hi!
I'm gonna be shy.
Aw, Nick's now team dad, packing the truck.
Kids don't learn how to pack.
Is there one more small luggage? Because I can fit one right here. Let's
Yeah, there should be, yeah.
Oh yeah, got a little mom life going on here. This is what it's like traveling with Jen. Ah! We were breathing that in the car. We all have some type of fumigation poisoning or something. Bye guys. You think you're funny? You are not funny. No.
I'm way better now.
Yeah, I would be upset if I were sitting in that too.
Ooh.
We just did you a favor. Yeah.
Wouldn't have been so bad.
All right, you guys, we're just getting to the Ruger factory. It's raining, which is really normal for Arizona. And getting ready for our tour. The ladies here, more inside. It's gonna be a good day.
Okay, now no more filming.
I'm going.
Oh.
All right.
It's okay.
That was classic. My plan worked.
Ladies, welcome to GWG's first annual Ruger Rendezvous.
Welcome to Ruger. I appreciate you all coming out today. My name is Robert Callio. I was one of the principal designers on the Max 9. The other gentleman was Jim McGarry, and it was a 2.5-year labor of love. I think when you have that passion for the product, it shows in the product.
We did a Ruger factory tour today, and now we are at Gunsite. This is a little behind the scenes. We're trying to kind of organize chaos here. We have all of these giveaway bags for the ladies that we're putting together or finalizing. We're gonna be doing a big taco feed tonight. So much stuff going on. Gunsite has been amazing, allowing us to use their facility, and oh my gosh, it's going to be such a great week. So we have successfully stuffed all of the gift bags. Every woman has their personal wardrobe in one bag. Jen has worked very hard putting all of this together. These ladies are over here organizing Falco holsters and magazine holders. So we are just kind of a work in progress. This is kind of like behind the scenes. This woman, Jen, where is she at? There. Has absolutely crushed it putting this together. She's raising 2 babies and she is like superwoman, and like I can't believe all the things she has done. This is incredible.
When do you want to do those? And I'll be here tomorrow. Just to greet everybody and just to say hello to the world, and it just was like I got it wasn't even I got you there. And your little one's not going to shoot off, right? No, I didn't think so.
So today, Narissa, the hostess with the mostest, laid out this entire taco bar for everybody to have tacos tonight. She's so amazing. Look at this spread. Look at who that is. Who all is excited to be here? Good morning, everybody from Arizona. It's raining. Look at us. We're running.
We're athletic.
Even Nick is running. I've never in my life seen Nick run. Maybe when we're being chased by animals. But Brooke is leading the charge here and starting out our day. There she is. Getting our fitness on. All right, you guys, our run is over, and now we're full sorority house working out here. We have all the ladies on the floor. We don't know what's going on in here. But this is what it's like when you travel with a bunch of health-conscious ladies. This Airbnb has a gym, and we're all just crushing it this week. We all have some pretty big goals and totally motivating each other to kind of stay on track and feel good and eat clean and train dirty mean. I sound like a psycho. That's right. Here we go.
I am not sure about
So as much fun as I'm having here at the Girls with Guns Ruger Rendezvous, I am catching an early flight home in the morning. My little dog, Zoie, who's almost 16, is in the animal ICU, and she's on oxygen right now, and her heart is failing. So I'm gonna take a flight home and go see my little dog. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know. That's all I gotta say. Go home to Zoe and hopefully the medicine that they're giving her to pull the fluid off her lungs will help her, but ultimately it's not a long-term it's not a long-term solution, so I just want to go so I just want to go home and be with her while I can. Hopefully she can medically qualify to leave the hospital tomorrow, but ultimately that'll be my choice either way. So and then my friends, I love my firearms family, and I love you ladies. I wish I could be with you, but family, you know how it is. We all stick together. We're all a family, and yeah, I love all of you too. Kruger and I are out here at the property. It's the first time we've been here since we have technically own it now. And it's also the first time that we've been out here without Zoe. So kind of tough. I came home from AWA and had to put little Zoe to sleep. She was in heart failure, so I'm trying to keep my mind off of it right now. So I thought there's no better way than spending time with my dog that I love and at our new beautiful home and trudging through 2 feet of snow. Just spending some time together. It's hard without Zoe, but she was old, and it's just part of it, you know. Just gonna miss her. You can see the reservoir is already filling up, which is good. We're meeting with the water master on Tuesday for that, or I should say the state engineer's office. Talk about the reservoir. So that'll be nice and full this year. Our goal was to get to the top of that tree line, then hike over the back side, but the snow is literally belly deep, and I'm not gonna make Kruger trudge through belly deep snow when he has a heart murmur, heart failure, and bad hips. So we're just gonna have a nice little hike and get out of here and come back another day, maybe with the snowmobile. My poor dogs are all getting old. Kruger was diagnosed with a heart murmur last year. He's 10 this year, and his hips just aren't what they used to be. I quit taking him on rides with the mules, and so I think today's little sachet is gonna be a lot on him. So that's what happens when our dogs get old. We love them and we adapt our lifestyles around them, because that dog would give everything and he would come with me, but I just don't need to do that to him. So we'll have a nice day and just think about his sister, little Zoe, in heaven, and just enjoy our time together. Yeah, you good boy. It's hard to tell, but just right there, that was waist deep snow, and it was waist deep all the way along in here. I'm assuming it's drifting because this tree's here. So Kruger, no, come on over here. So I don't want to go there. We're gonna go out this way here. I had insomnia this morning and was up at 4 a.m. and so I thought I'd come out and shovel some snow. And I don't know, we got like a foot or more of snow last night, so the poor animals this year, I just feel so bad for them. It's absolutely horrible. How much snow, even yesterday at the property, how deep that snow was, and now there's another 1.5 feet or more on it, and oof, yeah, it's just not good. Ready for spring, that's for sure. I'm trying to take the bunnies some carrots this morning, but I'm not really sure how I'm gonna get through the snow. It's super deep, so I'm gonna take the carrots over there. I'm gonna clear a little spot for them to where they can eat the carrots. And look at, there's one there right now. The bunny had found the carrot from yesterday and is eating it. Here's the other one, or some of the other one. But I'm gonna put some more out here for them so they have something to eat. Now the bunnies have fresh carrots, and I cleared a little path here for them where they could come out and eat the carrots. You little pig. You see that? She puts her head right underneath it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good. 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 What a good girl. Good girl, yeah. What a good girl. That's trust. Like 100%. And she's a special mule, I can tell you that. And so when I'm asking her with my body to anchor this foot and move her hip, she's doing it without an aid. So very good. Good girl. There's 2 bunnies now at the bait pile, and they just kind of came scurrying out of their little bunny holes. Yes, they're happy. That means we're gonna have baby bunnies everywhere. Happy bunnies.
Oh, we got the little assholes out according to Kristy. Little assholes.
Good girl. I'm exhausted now. They get away with it once or twice. Whoa. Back. Back. They have to be, especially when they're learning, reprimanded immediately. Whoa. We decided this is better at a singular activity.
He didn't care about that one.
No. Whoa. Whoa. I have to fix my sock.
Do you need me to hold her?
No.
What was that white thing? Oh, sorry, that was your leg.
Don't bite me. I don't trust you guys. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Whoa. It's our second time in the horse trailer today. Ooh, have some grain. Come here. Don't bite me though, you little brat. Girl.
Like a champ.
Girl. Then we'll get the other one. Second time in the trailer. So we'll see how this goes.
Yeah, never mind the mattresses. Kristy kicked me out, so that's why they're outside.
Good girl.
So smooth, eh?
Yeah, thank you. Well, they've been in here one whole time.
Yeah. Oh, she likes it.
Oh, her little pig.
She's so cute.
Oh yeah, she's adorable. Walk.
What do you say?
Happy babies?
You do it again?
Yep, we'll do it one more time. Ready? Good girl.
Oh.
Don't hit your face. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. It doesn't hurt. Ready? Okay, come on. Pushy, pushy, pushy. This is pushy. Her always gives the kisses. Yes you do. You always give the kisses, huh? So we don't want no rain. We just want you to pet us, okay? We just want to be pet and scratched. Yes, we just want scratches. Yes, that's fine. You can do that. You get to bite my face. Look at their sister. Hi. Welcome to mi casa. Actually, it's my parents' house, but I kind of have taken over a makeshift trophy room in their shop, and we are welcoming the Central Wyoming chapter of SCI into our home for a trophy room tour, just kind of hanging out in preparation for tonight's big banquet and fundraiser. So we're gonna have a ton of people here. We got a little spread, roll out the red carpet, welcome people to our home here in Wyoming. We're excited.
Is a whole made it really easy. Wyoming being a Second Amendment sanctuary, constitutional carry, right to hunt and fish is something that not every state in the United States has the opportunity to enjoy.
And there's lots of great organizations out there that do a lot of great things for wildlife and conservation, as does SCI. But SCI does stuff that those other groups don't do. They protect the rights of hunters in Washington, D.C. If you're like me and you're coming from a place like Oregon, where you're fighting for those freedoms with your local government every day, and the minute you stop treading and fighting, you lose them and you're drowning. That's what we were facing in Oregon. And Wyoming is one of the last free places in the United States. And it's organizations like SCI that's helping to fight not only in Wyoming but around the country for the rights for hunting internationally and locally. So that's why it's so important for all of us to be here.
Warm welcome for me and my family into the community. And we're here because we love hunting, fishing, and we love shooting. And we just couldn't be in a better place. So thank you all very much for having us.